Welcome to Zoho CRM 101, Overview and Getting Started using Zoho CRM. My name is Arun Srinivasan, and I'm going to be your instructor for this lecture series. Let's take a look at the course overview. First, we're going to look at adding, editing, and tracking leads in Zoho CRM. Then we're going to go into converting a lead in Zoho. Next, we'll look at email integration. Then I'll show you how to generate reports in Zoho CRM. Next, we'll move to document integration, then to managing activities and events. I'll show you how to customize your home tab, and lastly, I'll go over some additional resources that will help you use Zoho CRM. So before we get started, I'd like to go over some basic terminology that I'm going to be using throughout the course. Understanding this terminology is important, as I will refer to these terms frequently throughout the course. First is user and license. The amount of users you have on your Zoho account is essentially the amount of people using your Zoho account. A Zoho account can have several licenses. So, for example, if you have 10 licenses, you can have up to 10 users. If you have, say, 8 users, yet you still have 10 licenses, you can still add 2 more users to your Zoho account. The administrator is by default the first person who signs up for your Zoho account. The administrator has access to all customization, can set up other users, and has access to all modules and records. You can add multiple administrators if you prefer. Modules are tabs and sections found on the Zoho CRM toolbar. A field is any point of data entry such as name, email, phone, description, etc. A lead is a person, organization, or company that you're planning on doing business with. Leads are unqualified and are frequently referred to as prospects. Leads are people you want to follow up with in order to convert into a contact. A contact is someone you have qualified and are pursuing a sale or a deal or an opportunity with. Contacts are considered to be part of the sales pipeline. An account is the company that a contact is associated with or works for. Lastly, a potential is the sales pipeline tracking system. It allows you to track opportunities through the sales cycle stages until you eventually close a sale, lose it, win it, etc. Let's take a look at the sales funnel. In the first part of the CRM, you have your leads. These can be generated a number of ways, such as purchasing leads, online sign-up forms, various marketing campaigns, etc. Then you'll begin following up with these leads and qualify. What I mean by qualify is that you are probably talking to these leads or exchanging emails. Basically, any communication in which you are generating buying interest within the lead. This is a stage in which you're adding notes, tasks, activities, and would fill in several fields in the CRM as you move forward in the qualification and sales process with someone who is now going from just a lead to a contact. Hopefully, some of those contacts will then turn into customers. This is the basic sales funnel which the CRM helps you efficiently facilitate. So now let's take a look at a slightly more descriptive diagram of the sales cycle. So first you would run a campaign, such as an email campaign or magazine advertisements, and this campaign would generate leads. You would then assign these leads to your sales team, and the sales team would be responsible for following up with these leads via phone, email, etc. During this follow-up, the sales team would then qualify these leads and convert genuine leads into prospects. You would then further categorize these leads before following up again. During the secondary follow-up process, you will hopefully win the deal. So before you move on to Lecture 2, please familiarize yourself with basic CRM terminology and the sales cycle. For more information, please visit zoho.com/crm/help.